Hi guys, I wanted to show you what I was busy with today. So I told everyone I wanted to clear off this area, right? I had a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm in the middle of the process of doing that, and I did accomplish it. I do have to wipe it down, but all I wanted was pretty much the knives there. I wanted the convection oven over there, and this side I just want the microwave. And I won't even show you what's on the other side, but I have to clear out this side, and I have a whole bunch of stuff on the floor. This is what I have to still put away tomorrow. But I did clear off that. I'm going to wipe it down now. It's going to be really, really nice. Wipe it down clean. But then I have to find room for all of these. I'll put the spoons and the ladles over there. That I can fit over there. The toaster I'll also put back. But all of this I have to find room for all of this. I just put it on the floor for the time being. Just for the time being. It's not that much. But yeah, so I'm cleaning up little by little. I wanted to clean up this area because it started looking nasty. Okay, guys, and then I have to find room for these things, and I gotta find room for that. That's the thing, and then I gotta, yeah, it's a lot of work, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So this part is gonna be cleaned off and fantastic, and wiped down. So little by little, I'll do it.